WEHT Local Lifestyles continues.
Now, this may surprise you. Babies can benefit from chiropractic adjustment, especially if they're struggling with colic. Dr. Jessica Ignacio of Westside Chiropractic tells us how she works with babies and those weary moms and dads.
Yes,
if you have a colicky baby, wow.
Absolutely. And I tell parents when they come in with their infant, the very first thing I say is, colicky babies are one of my favorite patients to treat. And it really is. And not because, obviously, because of their symptoms and things like that, because I can really help them. And a lot of times, the parents that bring the baby in, I'm pretty much their last resort. They have tried everything. And they hear all these remedies saying, oh, it's gas pains. Oh, try these drops. And sometimes their pediatrician will literally tell them, there is nothing wrong with your child. You just got to keep rocking them. And that's not the case. So there is you ready? There is a cure for this. I can help mothers and fathers. Yay. Yes. So I can absolutely help babies that are suffering from colic. So here's what takes place in that process. Babies that are suffering from colic, they're not in pain. It's not a screaming cry, painful cry. What is happening is their bodies and their spines are made just like adolescents and just like adults. We have the exact same number of vertebrae. But what ends up happening is the very top vertebrae in the neck becomes misaligned, just like our vertebrae become misaligned with everyday stresses.
So it was just like maybe from birth even?
That's exactly.
And they've had a lot of work getting through that birth canal.
That's exactly what I was going to say. The birthing process is one of the most traumatic processes our bodies can go through.
Yeah.
And then what ends up happening is that very top vertebrae becomes misaligned and it starts irritating that top nerve. So when that top nerve gets irritated in that infant, it's in an excited state, and that's just the symptom it's producing, is the crying, because that nerve is so excited, the baby's just crying. So again, not in pain. So what I do is I find the vertebrae and I find where exactly it's misaligned, and it's a very different treatment process as it is an adult. It is a very slight movement, because those bones move really easily.
They're really flexible at this point. They're sort of rubbery, if you will, or more pliable than we are.
Yep. Yes. And I also use an instrument, a handheld instrument, which it does the exact same thing. You get the exact same benefits as that adjustment. It just takes that force out of it. So again, for somebody like an infant, it works much better, and the results are, the parents thank me usually.
Is this usually a one adjustment, or does it take several?
With infants, it is like everybody else. Everybody responds differently to the treatment. But what I found to realize is that in infants, they bounce back a lot faster because they don't have the years. This hasn't been going on for years or even months. So it usually only takes a couple of adjustments. But again, everybody's different. But I've, again, had great results with it.
Well, I know we've talked about this in the past, but I'm just thinking of myself back in the day when I was a young mother with a colicky baby. That was not even on the radar to come to a chiropractor.
Yeah, and I don't think, a lot of people are learning that it can be an alternative method. And I think nowadays it is more noticed that we can help, but it absolutely is. It is a great, I always tell people, if you're, come talk to me. I can absolutely let you know if it is colic and if it is something I can help you with. And like I said, at that point, you're at your last resort sometimes, and they will try anything.
Well, and that make Jessica your first resort.
Absolutely.
You're having a colicky baby.
And you'll save you months of torture.
Yes,
because it can be.
And sleepless nights,
yes, absolutely.
Well, that's really great information, Jessica. Thank you so much. Let everybody know where you are.
We are located at 2732 Mount Vernon Avenue. It's in Evansville, and we are a couple blocks west of St. Joe Avenue.
Real easy to find, and you and your baby will feel better this year. So give her a call. We'll be back with more Lifestyles right after this. Stay with us.
This portion of Lifestyles is sponsored by Westside Chiropractic.